Promise students, I hope everyone is doing well. I am your Promise Peer Advocate, Sandra Garcia, and I have some information for you regarding the e-consent statement. You must carefully read the entire San Diego Promise e-consent statement and complete this assignment before using the San Diego Promise online services at San Diego City College, like communicating with your peer advocate. There are only 2 questions on this assignment. You may answer them by simply typing I agree or I understand. It is important that by completing this assignment, you agree to the terms and conditions as well as privacy protection of the San Diego Promise e-consent statement. Information about you is confidential. It is important that you supply the most current information about yourselves so that San Diego Promise might provide you with information. Without agreeing to the e-consent statement, we are not able to assist you. Here are some protection tips. It is crucial to protect your meeting ID as well as the password by not sharing this information with others. You might not record and schedule online sessions with a counselor, coordinator, or peer advocate without their consent. Thank you so much for your time watching this, and I hope this helps. Please remember that we're here for you. Bye-bye.